Let's see how to outline text in Canva. First, we need to open up our design. So let's choose portrait. For this example, I want a background. So let's just go to elements and choose any background we want. So I want a background of the beach. So let's search for beach. Let's look for a photo we want here. Let's choose this. I'll just adjust the size here. Now that's better. Next, all we need to do is go again to the left-hand side and click on text. Here, let's choose add a heading. And let's type out our own custom text. For this example, I want to use the word outline. Next, all we need to do is click on the text box and click on effects. Next, we go to the left-hand side and we are shown different options. Let's select hollow. By changing the thickness, we can also change the thickness of the outline. And that's it. That's how you outline text in Canva. See you soon.